Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and in this video I'm going to show you 5 tips for Microsoft Word. If, like me, you can't be bothered to type sometimes, Word has the option to dictate. Provided you have a microphone connected or built into your device, you can select the dictate option in the voice section of the home ribbon. And then anything you say will be written down as text. If you need to transcribe a video, Microsoft Word Online will allow you to upload the file and will transcribe the video for you. In the online version of Word, there's a drop-down next to Dictate. Select Transcribe and a pane will show on the right side. Please note this is the online version of Word only and you are limited to 300 minutes a month. If you're designing a leaflet, for example, and you don't have the text that will be in the document yet, you can use the rand or lorem functions to paste example text. On a new line, type equals rand and then an open bracket. First type the number of paragraphs you want and then a comma. Then the number of sentences per paragraph and finish with a closing bracket. Press enter and random text will be pasted in. Replace rand with lorem for improper Latin. If you create documents that contain text that you use frequently, you can add these to your auto text gallery to quickly insert into a document. Highlight the text that you want to save and then in the Insert ribbon, in the Text section, select Quick Parts, Auto Text and then Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery. Then, to paste it into a document, you just go back into the Auto Text menu to choose it. Finally, if you apply the Heading 1 style to all of your chapter titles, you can very quickly add a table of contents by going to the References tab, selecting Table of Contents, and then choosing a style. That's it for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.